video, you will get a brief overview of the Canvas user interface. To learn more about this topic, visit the Canvas guides at guides.canvaslms.com. Additionally, permissions vary between users and institutions, so what you see in this video may be different from what you see in Canvas. The Canvas user interface has three main components: the dashboard, global navigation, and a sidebar. The dashboard is the first thing you see when you log into Canvas. It provides a high-level overview across all your courses. The dashboard has two different viewing options: the course view or the recent activities stream. You can switch between views by clicking the toggle. The dashboard course view includes a course card for each of your favorite courses. Each card can include up to 4 tabs, which represent the 4 main Canvas features for student course activity: announcements, assignments, discussions, and files. These tabs mimic visibility and order in course navigation. So for instance, if an instructor hides the announcements link, the announcements tab will not be displayed. Any unseen activities are indicated on the appropriate tab with a number icon. You can directly access these recent activities by clicking the tab. A couple of the settings for your course cards can be adjusted by clicking the card Edit icon. First, you can create nicknames for your courses to help you organize your dashboard. In the nickname text field, enter the nickname for your course. Click the Apply button and the new nickname will appear. Course nicknames appear throughout Canvas and only change the name of the course for the individual user who created the nickname. If you need to know the original name of the course, you can hover over the nickname and the original name will appear. You can also change the color of your course cards. In the card settings, select the color you would like to assign to the card. You can also enter a hex code for any color. Then click Apply. The Recent Activity Stream view contains a stream of recent notifications from all of your courses, including announcements, discussions, assignments, and conversations. New or unread activities are shown by the blue indicator dot. You can view the details of each activity by hovering in the notification area and clicking the Show More link. To collapse recent activity, click the Show Less link. You can directly access your recent activities by clicking the link. To remove a notification, click the Remove icon. Another interface component is the global navigation, which is a static menu on the left side of the page that gives you direct access to your courses and other information in Canvas. This menu is accessible from any page within Canvas. To modify your user settings or profile, click the Account link. You can also specify your notification preferences, upload personal files, or manage e-portfolios here. Click the Logout button to log out of Canvas. To hide the slide-out menu, just click the Account link again, or click the Close icon. Click the Dashboard link to return to the Canvas dashboard at any time. By clicking Courses, you can access your individual courses, or view a list of all courses in which you are enrolled. To display a course card on your dashboard, simply click the star next to any course to mark it as one of your favorite courses. New courses are automatically included in your favorites and will appear on your dashboard. Click Groups to access any groups in which you are enrolled, or to view a list of all your groups. Click the Calendar link to view the global calendar, which shows an aggregated view of all assignments and events from each of your courses. The Inbox link will take you to your conversations. You can compose and send new messages to other students and teachers here, or view any existing conversations. And click the Help link to access help resources, including the Canvas guides, the Canvas community, or Canvas support. The last interface component is the sidebar. The sidebar includes a to-do list, coming up feed, recent feedback, and a View Grades button. The to-do list helps you keep track of assignments that you need to complete. Click any assignment link and Canvas will direct you to the appropriate page. You can also click the Close icon next to any item to ignore the assignment. The Coming Up feed lists upcoming assignments and events within your courses. Under Recent Feedback, you will see the latest comments from instructors or peers on previously submitted assignments. Click the View Grades button to quickly access the grades for any of your courses. Note that when viewing Canvas with a small screen resolution, any sidebar content aligns with the bottom of the page. Now let's take a look at the course interface. Click the course card to open the course. The course interface consists of 4 main components: the course navigation, content area, the breadcrumb navigation, and the sidebar. The course navigation menu provides links to the different areas of your course. Your instructors have the ability to customize this menu, so it may vary slightly from course to course. This menu can be collapsed by clicking the menu icon. The content of the course will be displayed in this content area. The breadcrumb navigation shows your current location within a course and allows you to easily move to a previous screen. The course sidebar is dynamic and will change depending on where you are within the course. It provides tools and resources to help you build and manage your course. You've now completed this tutorial video on the Canvas overview for students. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, just visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.